Hi Aries, I'm Anisha and you can also visit me at www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast on love and relationships. The reason for doing this video is it is just not possible to put the entire information in a 5 or a 6 minute overall generic capsule that I normally do in a month. So I'm trying to break it up into sections, and this month I'm going to be looking at love and relationships. The idea is to help you give more clarity in this particular area of your life. So do write into me and let me know whether I have been able to be of some help or not. Aries, we start this month with a beautiful full moon on the 8th, and you're going to be feeling very relaxed. There is this sense of coming out of the tunnel. So after a long time you're going to be pampering yourself. Some of you will be buying something nice for yourself or buying something pretty for the house. It's a very me time, and it's a great time for you to be not to feel guilty about it and really take it slow. I think there has also been a lot of intense discussions that have happened in the last couple of months, and that may have left you feeling a bit frazzled. So take this breather as a good sign. You don't have to rush it in and worry about, oh, things have slowed down all of a sudden. This is the universe's way of saying that it's time out. Just get off the treadmill, take some time for yourself. You will also be socializing a lot with your friends. There are a lot of get-togethers, there are a lot of meeting of ideas, partnerships, spending time with children. It's a good time. Utilize this time well. Around 14th of March we have what we call the Grand Earth Trine that is happening. It's 4 planets which are aligning at 120 degree. So you have a Mars which is at a 9 degree to Virgo, you have Pluto which is 9 degree to Capricorn, and you have Jupiter and Venus which are conjuncting in Taurus at a 9 degree. The most beautiful thing about this Grand Earth Trine is the absolute positive energy that it is getting along with it. So don't trivialize it or not make use of it at all. It's a great time if you're trying to bring something new to your life, especially in your personal relationships. If you have been trying to change your patterns, the way that you are, the way that you would like your life to be, it's a very transformational kind of an energy, and it's something very positive. So work with this energy, because the ongoing trends for the coming months, this will carry a fragrance of that. Also, if you need to know a sense of what is it that this energy on 14th of March will have for you, you need to look back on 28th October. That was when the second Grand Trine had happened. There are about 3 trines, and this is the third Grand Trine that is happening. It will give you a sense of which area of your work it had got affected at that point of time. So you can think back and you can see where and how you were at around 28th October. You seem to be very attracted to somebody this month, and this person, he or she, seems to have a mind of his or her own and will be very difficult to pin down, which doesn't really make it simpler for you, because being an Arian, you yourself are an adventurous soul. So take it easy. You're still in a quandary whether to commit or not to commit, whether you should really go ahead and pursue it rather. So take it easy. There are really no hard and fast rules this month that you will miss the boat. Go ahead and I would say that play the wooing game this month. So enjoy yourself. There are plenty of good times. End of the month also sees you, some people coming in from your past. You may have a reunion maybe with your school buddies, or it could be somebody also you were briefly committed to. So you would actually spend some nice time reliving the old times. It's a nice pleasant energy. So enjoy yourself this month. Just watch your speech. Be careful of the words that you're using. Try not to be too hasty or to be rash, and make good use of the Grand Trine energy. So have a great month. I'll see you in April, and do let me know whether this was of any help to you or not, Aries. Thank you so much for watching.